Hello everybody and welcome back to G-Bear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert, or a snowy homestead in the desert. And yeah, this is the morning after and the sun is out, skies are clear, and there's a lot of snow. You can see it on my water tank there, on my barrels, all over. Alright, let's do a 360 here. Let's look at the mountains. I'm going to zoom in so you can get a better look. Okay, the local mountains are all white, and as you can see, even the local hills are all white. And then the main mountain train, the Santa Ana mountain train, is completely white all the way down to the base. And if we swing around this way, the little hills over here have snow on them. And then all the way out there, you can see the mountain range out there is all covered in white. So yeah, it's pretty much white everywhere. Heat Seeker Bus is covered in snow. There's the mountains over that way are all white. All right. So I got up early this morning and came out with my scraper, and I cleaned off all the solar panels. And I inadvertently woke up Pierre while he was sleeping because it was early, and I got up and cleaned his solar panels too so that he'd get a charge here in the morning, because we didn't get any charge from the sun. Well, my amorphous panels gave it a little bit, but other than that, we didn't get any charge all day yesterday. It was totally overcast with lots of snow coming down, as you saw from my last video. And this is a white wonderland right now. And I told you I'd let you know the totals that I accumulated. Well, when I was cleaning the panels off of Heat Seeker Bus, there was 3.5 inches of snow on them. Some of that melted down already by the time I got to them, because the sun came out early, and it took me probably a half an hour to clean all my panels off over here. But I would say we probably got a total of 4 inches by my best guesstimate. And you can see the snow on the roof of the cabin, and the heater's been on, and it's been at 72 degrees all night and all morning. And you can see how well insulated my cabin is and how airtight it is. The snow is on the roof, it's not melting up there. So yeah, I got good insulation in the cabin. I slept comfortably until the one rat that's left up there decided to start scuffling around about 1:30 a.m. And I pounded on the wall a couple of times, and it quieted down. It scared the crap out of him, I guess. But anyway, I'm walking around here, and I'm looking for any tracks in the snow that might indicate a direction that they're coming from, or how they're getting into the cabin. And I'm not seeing anything. So they're traveling quite a distance from underground. And I'm going to have to see if I can find that. But yeah, there's some more bear tracks and a bear shadow. A bear shadow! Run! All right, the chickens are doing fine. They've hunkered down inside the cabin, inside their cabin, or the coop, to stay out of the bad weather. But with the rack that's on top of there, and the sun cloth, it kept most of the snow out of their pen. And as you can see, the ground is bare around there, so looks like they still have a little bit of scratch left in there, but I'll be feeding them in a little while. And you can see them right there in the coop, just saying, well, do we want to go out there or don't we? They'll probably venture out a little while later. I might even let them out in the snow and see how they react to it. I don't know. Probably cold on their feet, so they don't want to touch it. That's why they don't want to come down the ramp, because it's got snow on it. But that's about all that I can think of. I mean, I'm looking around the coop here, and I'm not seeing any critter tracks going into the coop either. So, I don't know. They're doing all their travel underground, I guess. And I got my electric wires for the electric fence are buried under snow here, so I'll have to clean that off. And you can see how the snow built up here. Well, strange weather. But it looks like it's going to be a good day of melting. My batteries are getting a good charge already this morning. I'm well above standard full charge. Like I think I'm at 12.8 right now, and 12.6 is the full charge. So we'll be doing a video later on today. I don't know if I'm going to be able to go into town and check mail, because this was what used to be a driveway, and I don't know how muddy the road is. I might have to take a walk out there. Maybe when Pierre gets up, we'll take a walk down the road and see how the main road coming in is, because that's all dirt too. And this thing here is Pierre started making a snowman. I guess he got too cold and stopped, but that's the snowball he left behind. And I have a good feeling that most of this snow will be gone by the end of the day. And it's supposed to be the next 2 days of sunshine just like this. And it's nice and warm out here. It's not really cold. I'm not wearing gloves or anything like that. And I'm in shorts and flip-flops. No, I have shoes on, but I don't have socks on. And that's about all, everybody. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up down there, like my videos, and share my videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Again, I'm going to remind you, subscribing is free, and there's no hidden secrets to it. Click the subscribe button, and then when the bell notification pops up, click that, and you'll get notified every time I post a new video. And that's all. That's all that's going to happen. You're not going to get spam in your mailbox or anything like that from it. So don't worry. Just subscribe. Be a subscriber. I was looking at my stats the other day, and 63% of the people who are watching my videos are not subscribed. That's only 30-something percent, 37% that are subscribed. So let's get those subscriptions up, people. G Bear signing off.